Alright, YouTube, this is my first video. I'm a tinkerer, like to make stuff. So I was on YouTube and seen a lot of PVC train horns. So this is what I came up with. I've had some progressions. One of the first things I did is I made this completely hand operated. Had a little trigger on it to activate the air here. Then the next thing I did was I went to Bluetooth, using Arduino. Get a whole bunch of apps off the App Store to operate your Bluetooth module through a relay, which would just send it right to the 12-volt solenoid here. After a few YouTube searches, I found a RF transmitter here and here. So now it could be mounted. You can go smaller on your battery. But like I say, hey, first project. Let's see if it sounds out. So here's what she sounds like. Careful your ears. Check your volume. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, guess what? Didn't turn the air on. Wait a second. Alright, we're back. Corrected my technical difficulties here. And again, check your volume. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it was a fun project. On to my next one.